Hair. Hello, softer, smoother hair. Smoother hair in just 5 washes.
It's Friday!
Pag may tamis ang hang ng UFC Banana Ketchup, everyday ay Friday. Lunok sarap talaga.
Yay! Friday walang pasok bukas!
Hep, hep! Monday ngayon, no?
Thank God it's Friday.
Mas gaganahan ka sa iyong gising kung kasama ang unang hirit at ang tamis ang hang Taste of UFC Banana Ketchup.
Sa unang hirit, isang totoo ang unang hirit.
Ang saya-saya!
Sa unang hirit, unang hirit.
One thing na hindi alam ng public about Suzy is that siya yung nag-ayos nung kanyang wedding. Siya lang lahat. From the invitations, the giveaways, and the program, etc.
Si Suzy, sobrang babaw ng mata niyan, ng luha niyan. Sobrang babaw. Nagkukwento ka ng sarili mong problema, sarili mong storya, mauuna pa siyang umiyak sa'yo.
But when she and Paolo got married and when they had their first child, they didn't have a helper. They wanted to be able to do things all on their own.
Her favorite place is Japan. Actually, Paolo and Ate Suzy, they've been there for like 4 times.
She's actually the first one in our family to ever take up martial arts, like a formal class. She took up Warangdo when she was in college.
She is supposed to be included sa first batch ng female PMA cadet. Pero sabi niya, probably it's not my calling. So I just have to go to other school.
Actually, although medyo kengkoy-kengkoy yan, patawa palagi, magaang, she's actually very, very generous at matulungin.
Happy birthday and have a blessed year.
I just really wish you all the best and much love to you, Pao, Leona, JD, and Nella. Love you.
We wish you all the best and more blessings as always. We love you. We love you. Bye.
Ate Suzy, happy birthday. I would just like to take this opportunity to just thank you for everything that you have done for me and for always helping me and everything.
Please continue to become an inspiration not just to us but to other people as well. So hope you have a great day.
I wish you all the best in life and have a good health. And I love you.
Hi, Suzy! Surprise! Happy birthday, direct from California. I wouldn't miss your birthday if I had the chance, but wouldn't do anything. Enjoy, have fun, be merry. Wishing you the best. I love you so much. Wow.
Hi, Suzy. Birthday greetings from your Ninang Sierra here in California. I wish you good health, love, and peace on your birthday.
And you're the best mom I ever met in my life because you're part of my family and I love you. And I hope you have a happy birthday and you're the best wish ever. And I love her and I hope she has a good birthday. Happy birthday, Mama. Have a nice birthday today. And I love you.
Isang happy birthday sa pinakamaganda, pinakamasipag, pinakamatalino, pinakanakakatawa, pinakamagaling magluto, pinakamahusay na ina at pinakamamahal ko sa buhay. Happy birthday, Suzy.
After all these years, naiyak pa rin ako from na-overwhelmed pa rin ako sa love. Thank you. Thank you to all my loves. Thank you.
Habang umibigay si Suzy, magpapasalamat na muna ako direct from California, Quezon City. Maraming salamat sa kusina ni Gracia. Salamat. At sa Milas Lechon. Na wala nang ng baboy. Wala na.
Hubad na ngayon.
Hubad na. Ano na pala sa'yo na?
Thank you po, Ma'am Marisa, AC, Ami, lahat sa inyo, JM. Thank you so much sa lahat ng staff ng UH. Na, through the years, di ba, hindi pa rin ako naubusan ng luha dahil sa pagmamahal niyo pong lahat. Salamat. And to my whole family, you know how much I love you guys. Thank you. We love you. We love you guys. Thank you so much. Kayo ang rason kung ba't nagigising pa rin ako kahit late pa minsan. Pero nakakasama ko kayo. Salamat. Namin. Babalik kami. Happy birthday.
salamat sa aming sponsors. Ultra Mega Supermarket. Vice versa. New Placenta, ang nagpasimula ng mga produktong pampaganda na may skin whitening at anti-aging in one.